Guys, so far no good. I've been out here an hour just trying to mess with my boat. It's cold. Not too cold, but it's cold. It's windy. My steering wheel, steering on my kayak broke. The core snapped. It was rusted. I'm gonna try to get it fixed. Got a tournament Saturday. Today's Thursday. And that's in 2 days. 2 days. So I'm gonna try to get it fixed tomorrow, but I'm gonna try to find something today on the water. See if I get confident fishing this tournament anyways. So let's hope for the best. Hopefully, you know, turns out to be a better day. But yeah guys, thank you and enjoy. Alright guys, I'm getting hit right here. TRD out, Ned Red. Try to catch some fish. Had a bite earlier right here. Try to drag this right across their face. Got one. Ooh. Ned Red. Ooh, good one. Dang, that's a good bass. Oh, come here. Oh, no way. Oh, yes, baby. Good bass. Ned Red. Whoo, look at that. That got to be an 18-incher. Knew it. Dang. That was a good fight. Good spot. Beautiful spot. Gonna get a measurement on him. Yeah, 17 inches. Here we go. Let's say 2.5, 3-pounder spot, 18 inches. Back into the deep. You got it. That's another fish. It's another fish, guys. Oh, another good spotted too. Oh, I found him. Oh, yes. There we go, guys. Another good spot. Another keeper for sure. Okay, another good spot. 15.25. Pretty nice. Okay guys, going back in the water. There we go. Okay guys, another fish on. I don't know how big. Another fish. Oh, dang, now it's pulling hard. Okay, come here. Come here. All right. A dink. But it's a fish. Let's see if I can get my limit. I got my limit. It's gonna be my last cast before I leave this spot and I catch a fish. Dang. All right, 13 and a half. Hey guys, beautiful spot. Going back in the depth. Fish on, guys. Oh, dang. That's a good spot. That's a beautiful spot. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Beautiful spot. Barely hooked. Oh, dang. Okay, tournament day. I need. Oh, jeez. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Dang it. I did not leave in this spot. That is a 3-pounder spotted bass. 3-pounder. Dang. Got a little deformed mouth, but $17.25, guys. 17.25. Dang, look at that. Beautiful. Dang, look at that, man. 17.5. Yeah, 17.5, guys. Dang. He just spit out my neg rig from earlier that he ripped off. He ripped off the neg rig earlier. Yeah, well, now I got him. Go ahead and put a weight on him. 2.49. Basically 2.5. 2.5 spotted bass. That's my PB spotted. All right, let's let him go. Oh, thank you, buddy. There he goes. All right, tournament have started. Go catch some fish. Let's say that's a fish. Fish on, guys. All right, guys, 15 inches. Time to let them go. This one, guys. Ooh. Ooh. Yes. Dang it. That's a good bass. Oh, look at that. $16.5. Not bad. Here we go. Alright guys, before we end this video, let me explain what happened. I lost that first fish and it hurted me. I wasn't able to catch my limit. I missed 2 little small nibble. I caught 2 fish. It was just a tough day, you know. The winner, which was one of my friends, he won with 51.25 inches. And then, you know, all my other friends, they also placed too. We had 80 kayaker come out to the tournament. It was actually my first tournament ever. You know, and then all the other rest top was like 47, 46, 44. You know, they even top. 44 even top. Lake Norman. That area just kind of has small fish anyways. But, you know, I did end up with a pretty good 16.5 and 15. On practice day, you know, practice everybody does good, right? But, you know, tournament day, it's tough. It was tough. It wasn't windy enough. So all the fish wasn't shallow, push up to the points. It was just, they would just scatter. There was a boat tournament out there too. So I guess everybody was catching fish. But yeah, I enjoyed it, and hopefully I could, you know, do some more tournaments in the future and not miss fish, you know. So yeah, thank you for watching. As always, keep fishing, be blessed. Thank you.